repeat it at all times with your hands, feet, arms, and legs inside the bus. Supervise all children and children at heart. Our one and only stop is Sleeping Beauty Castle in the center of the park. 2 honks and away we go. The Disneyland Railroad. We take the Grand Circle tour around the whole park, including a ride through the Grand Canyon and Primeval World. What stops are New Orleans Square Station, Mickey's Toontown Depot, and Tomorrowland Station. Right in front of us is the Disneyland Opera House, home to Great Moments with Mr. Lincoln. Before it was Great Moments, it was served as a lumber mill, since it was the first building built on property, and it helped build all of Main Street. The second building to be built on property, of course, was the Disneyland Fire Department on our far left. Right above it, Walt Disney's apartment. USA. Modeled after Walt Disney's hometown of Marceline, Missouri. To our right is the Main Street Cinema, where you can watch 6 classic Mickey Mouse shorts in beautiful black and white, featuring the 1928 hit Steamboat Willie. Right next door is the Market House, home to Starbucks Coffee and Tea. If you need to get a cup, I'm gonna pick me up. Ice cream parlor and the Candy Palace. 2 sweet spots, take your sweet tooth or your sweetheart. Right ahead in that royal blue and pink is Sleeping Beauty Castle, home to Princess Aurora and your gateway to Fantasyland and all Fantasyland attractions. The castle itself is a walk-through attraction telling the story of Sleeping Beauty, predating the movie by a couple of years. Another fun fact about the castle, we're actually looking at the back of it. The front is on the back. Over to our far left are the 2 gateways to Frontierland and Adventureland. Right in front of us is the Astro Orbiter, getting ready to blast off in front of Tomorrowland. Wait, visit tomorrow? Okay. We're now making our final approach. Please stay seated until I bring the bus to a fully complete stop and I turn off the engine. Make sure you gather all of your personal belongings and watch your step as you exit, using that handrail when coming down those stairs. Thank you, and have a magical day here at Disneyland. Watch yourself.
Thank you. Cool.